Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to show you guys this Westkiss wig. This is their Skin Melt HD Lace Straight 5x5 Real Hair Transparent Wig, and you guys, it is 100% glueless, 100% sprayless, no glue, no spray, and this wig is giving luxury. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. As always, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that Westkiss Hair sent along with this wig. They sent you so many goodies so that you can have a flawless and cute wig install. Of course, they sent their wig well packaged. So again, this is the Westkiss Hair Skin Melt HD Lace wig. I have it in the straight texture and in the 5x5 closure. Just so you guys know, this does come in a 13x6 lace frontal, and it also does come in a body wave texture as well, which is great. But once again, I have the straight texture, the 5x5 lace closure. This is 180% density, and I also have it in 22 inches. The wig does come with the combs, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band for extra security, and that's how we were able to get such a flawless glueless wig install. Alright, so let's go ahead with this wig install. Just so you guys know, I did bleach the knots and I also did pluck the closure off camera, but as you guys saw earlier, those knots are super thin, which means easy melt. This also is a real HD lace, and they also send you the wig pre-plucked as well, so they give you a head start. Whatever you choose to do is preference based, okay? So once I throw on the wig, I definitely made use of those combs that's inside the wig just for extra security, because I do not want to use any glue nor any spray when I install this wig. Alright, so now it is time to cut off all that additional lace. So I'm just going in with my Zig Zag scissors and I'm cutting the lace, and I'm getting as close to the hairline as possible. Now you guys, look at that lace. This is how you know it is a real HD lace. That lace is just melting right into my skin. Now, of course, we have to make sure that the lace is matching my makeup as well as, you know, technically my skin color. So I'm going in with my foundation and I'm just covering up the edges of that lace. And then I'm also going to get rid of like those tabs that's on each side. Whenever you have a closure wig and you cut off the additional lace, sometimes you can see those tabs that's on each side. So we're going to cut that off, and then we're also going to add some baby hairs later on as well, just to hide that. As you guys can see, after I added that makeup, it's just looking like it's my hair. Like, you can't tell me no different, and it is 100% glueless and 100% sprayless. No glue, no spray. Don't we love wig installs like that? Super easy, right? This wig is definitely beginner friendly, and it takes zero skill to install. You guys saw how easy it was for me to do that. And also, like I said, the wig comes with the knots super thin. It also comes pre-plucked for you. So there's literally little to no work that you need to do. So right now, I'm just going in section by section, and I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb. You guys know my process by now, but I really wanna make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat. And also, I'm going to give myself a middle part, because the girls love a bust down middle part wig. Now that the wig is laying super flat, I'm going to carve out my baby hairs. Normally what I do is I go towards like the end of my eyebrow, well, not really, more so towards like the arch, and I do like a little C curve part, and that's going to be my sections for the baby hairs. And then when I cut it, I cut at like a diagonal, and I also use my mini flat iron to curl it just so it helps me to better lay down my baby hairs, because y'all know I'm not the best when it comes to that, but I've definitely gotten a lot better. And again, I'm only doing this just so I could cover up those tabs, being that this is a closure wig. I don't want anything showing on the sides. All right, you guys, look at that. It's giving professional. It's giving a frontal, even though it is a closure, and the lace is just melted. I am obsessed with this wig. So I straightened one side off camera, but I'm going to show you guys the other side. I did use some hairspray just to simmer down any flyaways or anything like that, and also just to make sure that my hair was not smelling like, you know, hot comb and flat iron, because this spray smells really, really, really good. Once I comb that through, I go in section by section with the flat iron, and you guys are going to see how sleek this hair straightens. And also, you guys, this hair is 180% density, and it's weird because it's giving you volume, but it's not giving you too much volume to where you can't have like a super sleek straight wig, a super silky straight wig. They definitely took their time when it came to designing this wig, because I feel like everything just worked out perfectly, and the quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. Like, I did not get any tangling at all. I did not get any shedding at all. The hair was definitely giving quality throughout. The lace was giving quality throughout. All right, you guys, look at this hair. Oh my gosh, when I tell you guys I was obsessed, I was super obsessed. If you are looking for a bust down middle part wig, I really feel like this is the one for you. And it's 100% glueless. Like, you don't even have to use spray either, girl. So right now I'm just adding some foundation in my middle part, and then I'm also gonna go in with a mascara wand to get rid of any foundation that I accidentally got outside of the part, and to also cover up any over bleached spots if I had any, whatever. I just really just wanted to perfect my middle part, basically. Okay, you guys, and we are done. And once again, I'm doing the comb test because I'm showing you guys that it's glueless, and also you can't even tell that I was putting the comb underneath a lace. That's how real HD laces are supposed to be, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box, because I will have everything regarding this hair, including the direct link, including all the products that I used right there for you. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. You do not need any skills to install it. I really feel like this is a goodie, so I want you guys to check it out, and please do not miss out on it, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Westkiss Hair for this beautiful wig, and I will see you guys next time.